In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. The telephone conversation between the foreign ministers of Afghanistan and Oman with an emphasis on expanding bilateral cooperation. The establishment of substations and standard electricity distribution networks across the country. And the signing of an order by Donald Trump for withdrawal of the United States from dozens of international organizations. Welcome to today's news package. It's Thursday, the 18th of Rajab al-Marajab 1447, the 18th of Jadid 1404, and the 8th of January 2026. The news details. Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Foreign Minister of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and Badr bin Hamd al-Busaidi, the Foreign Minister of Oman, held a telephone conversation. During the call, Maulavi Muttaqi described his recent visit to Oman as fruitful and emphasized that the exchange of delegations between the two countries is vital for expanding cooperation in various fields. He also invited his Omani counterpart to visit Kabul, describing highlight consultations between the two sides as constructive and beneficial. On the other hand, the Foreign Minister of Oman also highlighted the importance of exchange delegations to enhance bilateral cooperation, stating that an Omani technical aviation delegation will visit Kabul in the near future. He further expressed his preparation to travel to Kabul and voiced hope that this visit would pave the way for constructive negotiations on expansion of bilateral relations. Dr. Abdul Bari Omar, the Chief Executive Officer of the Afghanistan Barishna Company, stated that alongside electricity generation, efforts are underway to establish standard electricity distribution networks and high-capacity substations. Maulavi Omar stated that billions of Afghans are being invested in developing consumption networks to ensure that domestically generated and imported electricity is delivered to the public in an orderly and reliable manner. Based on his statement, the establishment of standard distribution networks will significantly reduce the use of voltage weakness as well as technical and commercial electricity losses. The news continuation. Coinciding with Afghanistan securing first place for the best saffron globally, officials from Afghanistan Saffron Growers Union reports an increase in export and the expansion of international markets for these products. The head of the union stated that winning the top global rank for the 10th time reflects high quality of Afghan saffron and further consolidates its position in global markets. And ultimately, the US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order withdrawing the United States from dozens of international organizations and institutions. In accordance with a report by Reuters, the order includes withdrawal of the United States from 35 independent international organizations and 31 bodies affiliated with the United Nations. The White House has stated that those organizations and institutions operate contrary to national interest of the United States. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media platforms. We sincerely wish our distant viewers a blessed Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.